Hello everyone and welcome back to All I Cultural Farm. My name is Odia Israel always say. I'm a student who has passion about livestock farming, poultry, crops, and a lot of things about agriculture. So you're welcome once again to All Agricultural Farm. So in this channel, we talk about different livestock crops. Specifically, we don't talk about crops the most, but we talk about crops. We are also trying our best. Okay. So in today's video, I want to talk about guava. Yes, the benefits of guava, the importance of guava, the uses of guavas, the problems that guavas can solve in your poultry farm. So if you find this video helpful, before we go further, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and comment what you think of the video after the ending of this video. So please watch this video to the end because you may find something very interesting in the comments in the ending of this video. So what I want from you now is for you to watch the video till the end. Trust me, you're gonna gain a lot of things in this video. So I normally talk about one important thing when it comes to poultry farming or livestock farming or agricultural. I always talk about one important thing is that proper record. Yes, always have proper record. Jot down how your farm is going. Maybe you try this organic remedies today, you try this specific leaf today, you just discover that it has a lot of benefit, it cure your birds from this, it has that. Please jot it down. Proper record keeping, which is book record, is very important, very important, very important. I learned this from a practical during when I was in a GSS2. So I learned this from one of our Greek teacher. A practical proper record is very important. So ever since that day when I learned that specific topic, I was able to do a good proper record in my house, in my farm, anything that I'm doing, any livestock that I'm rearing, any organic remedies, anything that happen in my farm, I jot them down. Very important. So without talking too much, so let me greet every one of you. So for the returning viewers, which are the returning subscribers, I really do appreciate every one of you for coming back to this page to watch my video. I really appreciate that. For the new ones, please kindly subscribe to the channel because this channel we talks about different livestock, different things, and these different things are going to help you out. So if you want to watch more videos, go through my channel and you find a lot of video very helpful there. So this channel yo this channel is not just for only YouTube. We also have TikTok, we also have Facebook, we also have Instagram. Trust me, those are daily tips. We post daily tips down there, okay? So we're also trying our best to keep this YouTube channel moving. So without talking too much, let's go straight to the video and please watch this video to the end. Once again, watch this video to the end because you're gonna find something interesting and something helpful in the comment section. So let's go straight to the book because I normally jot so many of them down and I know so many of them on my head. So here we're going to be talking about some few benefits of guava leaf. Yes, as you may know, guava leaf is a organic remedies, and guava leaf is super very rich in your poultry bed. Not just rich for only birds, it is also rich for other livestock. And we as human, it is also rich for us as a human. So that's why you have to keep using this guava leaf in your farm anytime, any day. Always keep using it in your farm. So here I'll be mentioning some benefits, and here I'll be explaining it to you. And here I'll also be saying problem that guava leaf can solve in your farm, and I'll also be telling you how to use it in your farm. So stick around to this very first end of this video, okay? So let's talk about the benefits. Yes, number one benefit here goes to guava leaf, which is antimicrobial properties. So guava leaf contains antimicrobial properties which help prevent disease. So guava leaves help to prevent disease in your farm. It helps to prevent disease. If you are using it in your farm, it helps to prevent disease. Trust me, you will love this guava leaf a lot. You will love it. So another one goes to guava leaves is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and also vitamin B, which are which are good for overall health and egg production. So guava leaf is rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin A, which are great for overall health and egg production. So these are the richness of guava leaf. So which is good for their health, which is also good for their egg production. So if it is layer, if it is broiler, if it is noiler, this guava leaf can boost their egg production, and it's also good for their health, okay, as well. So another benefit goes to guava leaf improve digestion and nutritional absorption. So guava leaf improve digestion. So whenever your birds take in feed, it helps the feed to digest properly and nutrition absorption. So guava leaves help in the nutritional absorption. So it helps to absorb feed, intake of feed. It helps the appetite as well. So it helps the appetite as well. So guava leaf is super rich in poultry farming. Please do not miss it, okay? So, fourthly goes to natural dewormer. So, guava leaves helps in natural dewormer, which helps to deworm your birds a lot. It helps to deworm your birds a lot. So, natural dewormer help control internal parasites. Yes, guava leaves help to control internal parasites. Just like charcoal, yes, charcoal, the woody charcoal, it helps to control internal parasites, which is very rich for your birds. And if you found this video helpful, once again, don't forget to like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people out there that will love this video. Comment, let me know what you think about this video. Share the video to your fellow farmers who will want to use this leaf and who want this leaf to help their farm a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more daily video, for more tips about poultry farming and other livestock. So another benefit goes to fifth, which is guava leaf boost egg production and the quality. Yes, it's boosting egg production. If you are giving your layer guava leaf, it's boosting their egg, and it's boosting egg production and the quality of the eggs. That eggs will be super yummy. That eggs will have a good shape, like a good shell, strong shell, and the egg will be well yellowish. The yolk, which is the yolk, will be super yellow. So guava leaves help a lot in your farm. So another benefit goes to guava leaves promote healthier feathers and the skin. So guava leaf also contains calcium, phosphorus, and iron. So which is very rich for your which is very rich for their feather and their skin. So it make it, for instance, now if you have birds that don't have much feathers, please give them this guava leaf. It helps them to develop feather quickly and easily. So another benefit goes to guava leaves improve overall flock healthier and reduce mortality. So guava leaf improve the flock of your farm. It improve their health and reduce mortality. It reduce mortality in your birds. It will reduce mortality in your birds, because without guava leaf, your birds, if you didn't use this guava leaf, you'll be having a lot of mortality. So if you try this guava leaf, it reduces the mortality in your birds, in your farm. Okay, so now I'll be talking about four problems guava leaf can help with in your chicken, in your flock. These are four problems that guava leaf can help in your farm. So one of the problems that guava leaf can solve in your farm is less droppings. Yes, less dropping, which is guava leaves water helps support growth droppings, which is less droppings. If your birds are having reddish colors of droppings, wet colors of droppings, which is yellowish colors of droppings, guava leaves can help your farm. Just apply the guava leaf juice, the water, it will solve the farm. It will no more bloody dropping, no more watery droppings, no more yellowish droppings, it will help your farm a lot. So let's talk about another. That's the first problem. Let's talk about the second problem, which is growth health. So which is, it supports the digest that the let's go again. Growth health, it supports the digestive system and helps maintain good health growth. So which is growth health, it helps the growth, which it supports the digestive system and help maintain good growth health. So it support digestive system and help to maintain the growth of your birds. So without talking too much, without this video to be long, so let's go to another one. So the third one goes to appetite. Yes, it supports appetite, especially when birds are not eating. Yes, if you notice your birds are not eating, please give your birds this guava leaf. It supports appetite, especially when your birds are not eating. So if your birds are not eating, it helps them a lot. It supports their appetite. It supports their appetite when especially when your birds are not eating. Okay, so the fourth one and on the list for the problem that guava leaf can solve in your farm, we have coccidiosis. Yes, coccidiosis, one of the dangerous poultry diseases in poultry history. So coccidiosis, guava leaves water provide natural support for birds drinking with coccidiosis. So it helps to reduce coccidiosis in your farm. It helps to support, which is the leaves. The leaves, it supports the your birds from coccidiosis. So from coccidiosis. Then let's talk about so that's the four problem that guava leaf can solve in your farm. Let's talk how to prepare it. So how to prepare guava leaf in your farm. So let's talk about step by step how to prepare, because I know so many of you will ask for this. That's why I'm not just here to tell you the benefits. I'll also tell you the important, which is the uses as well, and how to prepare it to the beds. So let's go how to prepare it to the bed step by step. So for 1 liter of water, if you have fresh 1 liter of water, use 10 to 15 fresh guava leaves. For having 1 liter of water, fresh water, get 15 to 15 fresh guava leaves. Grind it, blend it, and get the juice and put it in that 1 liter of water and give it to your birds. So this is how you're going to prepare it. Wash the leaves and cut cut it into tiny pieces. So wash the leaf, cut it into tiny pieces. Then another method here is boil the leaf. Or let me explain that one first. Let me not just go into conclusion. So wash the leaf and cut it into smaller pieces. Into smaller pieces. So wash the leaf, cut it into smaller pieces. You can mix it with your bird's feed. Mix it with your bird's feed, and you can give it to them as their feed. They will feed on it and feed on your formulator feed as well. So there's also a good toss for that. So boil the leaf in 1 liter of water for 10 to 15 minutes. So boil the leaf. You can also boil this leaf, which is 10 to 15 leaves, 10 to 50 of guava leaf. You can boil it for 10 to 15 minutes, and when you boil it with 1 liter of water, when you boil it, you see the water change colors, and then which is sift the water, which is filter the water, and you see the juice, which is the juice will be coming out. Give your bird that juice. You can also preserve that juice for another day. Give the bird that juice, but first let the water to cool down. Don't just give them the hot water. Let it to cool down. Give them the juice. They will love it. It's a super good changing in your farm. It will help your farm a lot. So another one here, allow it to cool, which is this one I just explained. Allow it to cool completely, then give it to the birds. So allow the water to cool completely and then give it to the birds. So let's talk another one again. Give the prepared guava leaf water as the drinking water, which is the leaf we just boiled. This we said they said give them for a prepared guava leaf water as the best drinking water. But you don't know, how can I give it to them? How long, and how often should I give it to the bird? So this is how the often. Give it 3 to 5 times a week. 3 to 5 times. We only have 7 days a week. Give it to 3 to 5 times a week. But for preservation, give once. If you know your birds are kind of sick, you can give it to them 3 to 5 times. If your birds are affected by coccidiosis, give it to 3 to 5 times. But for preservation of disease, give it to them for once a week. Yes, once a week. So that's all for the day. So that's all you have to know about guava leaf. So you have to know about guava leaf. So for preservation, give it to them once a week. For to heal your farm, if you notice that your birds are sick, give it to them for 3 to 5 times a week, and it will help their farm. It will help your farm a lot. It will boost the best growth. It will help so much things in your farm. So this is what the video is going to end. I don't want to talk too much. Please, I hope you watch this video to this instant. If you watch this video to this instant, please comment section whether this video is interesting, whether you love this video, and please don't forget to share this video to other people out there who will love this video. So till we meet again in another video, God bless you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet again, God bless you so much. Bye.